Salesforce Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Salesforce are in the description below. In this review, I'll break down its key features, who it's designed for, and how well it performs. Salesforce is the industry-leading business automation platform, offering an extensive suite of tools for CRM, sales, marketing, customer support, and analytics. It's built for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises that need a scalable, AI-driven solution to automate processes and improve customer relationships. At its core, Salesforce provides a powerful CRM that allows businesses to track leads, manage customer interactions, and automate sales workflows. The Sales Cloud helps sales teams streamline their pipelines, forecast revenue, and automate follow-ups with AI-powered insights. Marketing Cloud provides advanced automation for email campaigns, social media, and customer segmentation, making it easier to run targeted marketing efforts. The Service Cloud ensures businesses can provide top-tier customer support with automated ticketing, AI chatbots, and omnichannel communication. Salesforce stands out with Einstein AI, which enhances automation across the platform. It predicts customer behavior, suggests next steps for sales reps, and optimizes marketing campaigns. Another key feature is Flow Builder, which enables businesses to create custom automation workflows without coding, automating repetitive tasks across departments. One of Salesforce's biggest advantages is its high level of customization and integration. The App Exchange Marketplace offers thousands of third-party integrations, allowing businesses to connect Salesforce with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace. Additionally, Salesforce's automation extends to reporting and analytics, providing real-time dashboards that help businesses make data-driven decisions. While Salesforce is incredibly powerful, it has a steep learning curve, and the pricing can be high, especially for small businesses. However, its scalability, automation capabilities, and AI-driven insights make it a top choice for businesses that need an advanced enterprise-grade automation platform. If you're serious about optimizing sales, marketing, and customer service, Salesforce is a market leader. Check the links in the description for more details.